Welcome to the AI Applied track. I'm Professor Scotland, and over the next 5 lessons, we're going to cut through the AI hype and focus on what actually matters for IT and security professionals. Let's start with what AI is. Artificial intelligence is software that can learn patterns from data and make predictions. That's it. It's not magic, it's not consciousness, and it's not coming for your job unless you refuse to learn how to use it. The AI you'll work with falls into 3 categories. First, generative AI, tools like ChatGPT and Claude that produce text, code, and analysis based on patterns learned from massive data sets. Second, predictive AI, systems that analyze data and forecast outcomes, like flagging which network traffic is likely malicious. Third, automation AI, tools that take repetitive tasks off your plate, like triaging low-level alerts or generating ticket summaries. Where does AI already show up in IT and security jobs? Threat intelligence platforms use it to correlate indicators. EDR tools use it to detect unusual process behavior. Help desk tools use it to suggest solutions. And analysts use ChatGPT and Claude daily to write scripts, summarize logs, and draft reports. Your job isn't to become an AI researcher. Your job is to become the person on your team who knows how to use these tools effectively. That's what this track is about. In the next lesson, we'll cover prompt engineering, how to get AI to actually do useful work for you.